Right at exactly 7 minutes past the hour of 10 here, I want to welcome you to Dr. Ojuzo Carlo Speaks. It is a live simulcast on Flow 94.9 FM, Vision Africa 104.1 FM, Real 99.1 FM in Aba, as well as ABN Online Radio and Television. My name is Ginika Olwa. Don't forget that this particular program is where we look at the activities of the senator representing Abia North Senatorial Zone, talking about the former governor and the Senate Chief Whip, Dr. Ojuzo Carlo. So, welcome. The Southeast Media Aide to Dr. Ojuzo Carlo, Honorable Madko Koro, is here already. Honorable, good morning. Welcome to the show.
Good morning, Ginika, and good morning, the good people of Abia State, God's own state.
All right, your principal is at it again. Recently, the Southwest First Alert magazine awarded him the senator, most performing senator in Nigeria. That is Senator Dr. Ojuzo Carlo. What does that portend?
Well, it portends a whole lot. It goes to show that when you are committed to a cause, the favor of Almighty God will always come upon you. I think this is the beginning of the beginning. This is Southwest, a well-known outfit. Publishing outfit that have been following the steps of distinguished Senator Ojuzo Carlo, and you know that within a year, no senator in Nigeria has done what Senator Ojuzo Carlo has done within 1 year. This is a man that took over a battle against underdevelopment, a battle against poverty, against everything that is ill in the society, especially in Abia North. And that is why today, Abia North has changed drastically in positive manner. There is nobody, no human being that walk into Abia North that will not look at Abia North as a mini heaven, because people are beginning to see the dividends of democracy, which distinguished senator has started doing. So in the next 4 years, I don't think that Abia North will be the same forever.
So many people will be wondering why all the way to the Southwest, a magazine that thrives in the Southwest. Why not the Southeast at least? People from this axis should also celebrate the distinguished senator. Why the Southwest? All the way to the Southwest, that's Yoruba and all that. Yeah.
Well, it goes to show again that Ojuzo Carlo is a detribalized Nigerian, that Ojuzo Carlo is a patriotic Nigerian. People love him. If he had gotten there from Southeast, he will look at it because Ojuzo Carlo is from Southeast. But look at Southwest that have recognized him. It goes to show a whole lot about the man that God has ultimately blessed, and the man who has come to bear the cross, not only for himself, but for the people of Nigeria, for the people of the world, Africans everywhere will know Ojuzo Carlo. There is no African that does not understand that God has really given Nigeria a gold. And then we are happy for that. So we are praying that Ojuzo Carlo, the distinguished senator, will do more. This is a man, when he was governor of Abia State, the former president of Nigeria tagged him action governor, because what he started doing when he was governor, soon as he got on the mantle of leadership, it was baffling, positively baffling. And President Olusegun Obasanjo at that time was very proud of the young man, one of the youngest governors. If you weren't the youngest governors at then, did a whole lot. He changed the narrative of development in Abia State. And not only changing the narrative of development in Abia State, but changing the narrative of human capacity building. And today, what he did in Abia for 8 years, changing the facelift of Abia, he's doing it again for Abia North, and eventually he's going to do it for Nigeria and even to Africa, so that anywhere you go in the world, you will know that Nigeria has produced gold.
Okay. All right, let's take a look at that power project attracted by your principal, Dr. Ojuzo Carlo. I understand that Minister for Power, Maman Saleh, was in the States some time ago, I think last week or so,
yes,
to flag off some power projects in Abia North. And your principal actually made some comments.
At Flow 94.9 FM, we've got conducive and well-secured environment for business. High-tech video studio, a state-of-the-art production studio. You can also listen live on www.flow949fm.com and watch our videos on YouTube at Flow FM TV. Flow 94.9 FM, not just radio, but a complete broadcasting house.
Well, Honorable, you heard him there. Your principal talking about the power projects attracted by his, I think through his constituency. Is it a constituency project now or something? And are we expecting steady power supply in Abia North?
Oh, of course. That's why I keep telling you that Abia North is going to be a very true story, a very true and bearing story. And this is why he was given the award of the best performing senator. You see what is happening. You know, when we have power station right there in Arochukwu, then we look at Ohafia, then look at your place in Isukwato, and then, you know, government is a continuum. You know that if they have followed the footsteps of the distinguished senator when he was executive governor of Abia State, I don't think that this epileptic supply of power would have been disturbing us up to today. You heard him, you know, here, you know, Abba, all those things were done by Orji Uzor Kalu. And when some folks come over in power, they tend to forget the good things that had somebody else had brought. So you continue from there so that you have less responsibility instead of embarking on new projects, and projects, most of them are elephant projects, white elephant projects that you can't even finish. So why trying to bear all these things on yourself? Because you don't know that this money does not belong to you. This is money that comes from Ginica's pocket, from Maduko Kuru's pocket. This is the people's money. It's not money from the governor's pocket. This is my money. This is my money. That is why we have the responsibility to question our elected leaders. Whenever you elect somebody and they don't perform, you have the right to question them. And that is why we are setting up example in leadership today. And that is why when I talk about this selfless service to humanity, when you get into public office, make sure that you have come to serve the people, to serve them honestly, to serve them, because it is a calling, special calling for you to get into politics. It's just a special calling for somebody to become a medical doctor or to be a lawyer or to be an engineer. So when you enter in politics, you have to understand you are going there to serve the people, not the people to serve you. And Orji Uzor Kalu, the distinguished senator, has shown a very salient example for the youth to know. That is why Orji is loved everywhere today. There is no place you will go that 99% of the people will not love Orji Uzor Kalu. I'm not saying that he must be loved by all and sundry, because man is a creature, immortal. You know, they can please everybody. But what we are saying, looking at Orji Uzor Kalu and his selfless service to humanity, and that is why that theory, I keep talking about that philosophy of Oyukeism. That is what it's all about. It's the Oyukeism principle that Orji Uzor Kalu is given to the world. Just like you had Socrates, just like you got Mao Zedong, just like you got Margaret Thatcher, just like you got Ronald Reagan, just like you got John F. Kennedy, just like you got Obama himself. So Orji Uzor Kalu, the selfless service to humanity, is being manifested in Abia North, and truly is going to be manifested in Nigeria and in Africa. Because, you know, Zeke, when Zeke was alive, Zeke was doing so well, speaking so well, and then as a student when he graduated from University of Pennsylvania and returned back to Nigeria, you know, Zeke started working and people looked up to Zeke, and that is why Zeke was named Zeke of Africa, because he was an epitome of what leadership was all about. And that is the same thing Orji Uzor Kalu is doing. And that is why that theory is theory that the youth today must imbibe. Or you can use him as a theory, because when you have that theory, that means you commit yourself to helping humanity. You commit yourself to having mutual respect. You commit yourself to be patriotic. Don't look at Ginika because Ginika is from Isukwato. Don't look at me because I'm from Ozitem. Look at me because I am a person created by God Almighty, just like He has created you.
Okay, since we are still talking about the projects, let us have an update of the ongoing project in Abia North. I understand that there's you will soon be distributing transformers to some places. That's Ohafia, yes, Arochukwu, Mpa, Umunochi. Which other one?
We have Bende.
Okay.
You know, where before the end of the week, the people of Itumbuzo are going to get their 500 kVA. The people of Mpa, in Bende local government, they will get their 500 kVA transformer. Then the people of Isu, Isu, they are way off place in Arochukwu local government where we had a crisis before. We are going to give them 500 kVA.
It appears you are concentrating more now in Arochukwu. You know,
The Isu people is a special case. You know, these are people that they are by the border of Cross River. People.
Where you normally have boundary issues.
So we are giving them that 500 kVA. We are also giving NATO in Umunochi. You know, we are giving 500 kVA to the people, the good people of NATO in Umunochi. So we want to make sure that light is everywhere. You know, that's what we're doing. By the end of this week, light will be everywhere in Abia North. So when you give them that 500 kVA, I think we are doing good. The distinguished senator is working very hard.
What about the school blocks you promised? What's the situation now? The school
schools,
primary school blocks.
Yeah, the primary schools we're working on them. We're dealing with, like the one in Arochukwu, we have finished it. You know, we're doing those schools. We have at least 15 schools that we are renovating, and we are working very hard. We are proud of what we are doing. We are proud of our senator, and God Almighty is going to keep giving him that power, that spirit to keep working for the people, because Orji Okalo does not talk about himself, he talks about the people. And that is why anytime he comes back home, Neya is always beehive of activity. Who's who want to see Orji Okalo? The poor man, the poor woman, the poor child, everybody love Orji Okalo. That is why he's working so hard, and he's going to be doing that for the next 4 years, so that Abia will know that they have a true son. Nigeria will know that they have a good son. Green, white, green.
Ugo Hafia Road. What's the situation?
Ishugu.
Okay,
Ishugu is almost done. Ishugu is finished. You know, the stone base they're doing now, Ishugu is done. By Christmas, I know the Jubilee, as a matter of fact, before I walked into the studio, somebody called me to thank me for the help that we have done for them, for this distinguished senator to come to the aid of Ishugu. Ishugu is glaring. People are happy. There is no place Orji Okalo goes that we won't create what we call the Midas touch, you know. So we are happy in what we are doing. I am proud that I can walk the street of Abia North and know that my principal is working very hard. My principal is a shining example of what a senator is supposed to be. We are giving palliatives. We're giving out so many things to people. We're still going to distribute motorcycles. We're still going to distribute sewing machines. And then the Orji Okalo Foundation will come from that arm to give us scholarship to people. We are going to do a whole lot. Let me tell you, Gineka, 2021 is going to be beehive of activity, and what you're going to be hearing every week is going to be Orji Okalo, because we are going to be on the road doing what we do best, giving help to the helpless.
You've only done the motorized borehole in Isukwuato. That's Ahaba Axis.
Yes.
And we need more roads too.
Oh yes, no, but you see, Isukwuato, you are blessed, because you have Nkiru Konyeji Ocha, then you have Barrister Emeka Okafor, who is in the House of Assembly, Representative Nkiru Konyeji Ocha. He's working hard for you guys in House of Representatives.
We still need yes, we need.
No, we are partnering. All we are doing is partnership. We partner with other legislators to make sure that the dividends of democracy cuts across every boundary. You know, you see, even in Arochukwu, as we are working, where Ukonkole is there, partnering with Orji Okalo, and that is what it's supposed to be. Not politics of political party, but politics of the people, politics of touching the lives of the man or the woman on the street. That's what it's all about.
I also understand that there are some federal road projects which your principal attracted in Arochukwu when the Minister for Power came. I think he took him to.
Yes, that's one that where is Aro. We've gone that 2-kilometer road. We've done down there. We are just opening Abia North everywhere, and you remember we're also opening the new Virgin Road from Ibere all the way to Ohafia. So everything, and then when as soon as we cut that road open, you're going to see development, because the price of real estate is going to go high. People going to go into the hinterlands.
Okay.
At Flow 94.9 FM, we've got conducive and well-secured environment for business. High-tech video studio, a state-of-the-art production studio. You can also listen live on www.flow949fm.com and watch our videos on YouTube at Flow FM TV. Flow 94.9 FM, not just radio, but a complete broadcasting house.
All right, welcome back to the show. It's still Dr. Ojus Okalo Speaks here on Flow 94.9 FM. It's also live on ABN Online Radio and Television, Vision Africa 104.1 FM in Umuahia, as well as Real 99.1 FM in Aba. Honorable, welcome back to the show.
Thank you, Gilika. I just received a message from Barrister Mbila Omaaye. He's giving me the report. This one is for Isugu. Let me read it the way he's already. At Isugu on Hafia Road, laying of stone base completed. That one is done. Then at Umuisi, there's Umuisi in Ibere, the erosion control. We are returning the walls. The walls have been returned complete. Now what they are doing is sand filling. That sand filling has gotten to 70% because that erosion site is very, very bad. Then if you look at Akama Road in Arochukwu, we have taken the digging up to 95%, and then the casting of slab and walls has commenced. Now we are targeting 2,000 linear meter before 25th of December. This is from Barrister Mbila Omaaye, one of the legislative aides to the distinguished senator. Okay,
right now we are being joined by Engineer Ndukwe Orji. He is the chairman of OUK Movement. Good morning, Engineer. Welcome to the show.
Good morning, my brother.
Okay, now tell us what is this OUK Movement all about and what have they done so far?
OUK Movement, like the name implies, is a movement. Real time has come and is simply designed to mobilize people at all tiers, especially at the grassroots level, to sensitize our people, to change the orientation of our people, and to galvanize and reconscientize the people of Abia State towards the achievement of a grassroots kind of selfless community service in leadership, which represents clearly the political philosophy of our founder, distinguished Dr. Ojus Okalo, the Nigerian Senate Chief Whip.
Okay, so far, what have you been able to achieve going by this OUK movement?
Yeah, we've, like somebody said, that every leadership is local. So we've gone toured around the 17 local government areas, and then set up the local government chapters of the organization, the movement. And then after that, we went to the second phase. We've toured around about 295 APSEC wards in Abia State. It ended last week Wednesday.
Okay.
And that has given us the great privilege of really appreciating the structures, the political structures of the entire state at the grassroots level, and has also enriched our grassroots political experience that will enable us, have a good grasp of how to administer the movement to ensure that the impact is felt across board.
Okay, so inadvertently what it means is that this is a political movement.
It's a social political organization. It's not registered as a political organization. OUK Movement is a bipartisan organization that draws its membership from beyond political interest.
Okay, now tell us, how can one join this particular movement?
Our office is at number 24, Azikiwe Road, Adjacent School Road, primary school fence there. Directly opposite the chambers of Chief Okameti SAM.
Okay.
That's where our office is located. We operate from 8 o'clock till 5 in the evening. So whoever that is interested can join us in the office there, or move down to his or her ward, since we have structures in every APSEC in Abia State. And we've also provided materials for registration of interested persons across the state.
Okay. Any requirement for one to join?
There's no requirement. Constitutionally, association is free.
Okay.
It's the fundamental right of every Nigerian to enjoy freedom of association.
Okay.
So we don't charge anything. We don't sell forms. You come, we list, you get details of particulars of the person, and then charge you to, be part of what we are doing.
All right. Thank you so much, Engineer Ndukwe Oji, the Chairman, OUK Movement in Abia State, for joining us on the program this morning.
Thank you. God bless you. As we strive to put in place the kind of leadership that we all desire for the betterment of our state.
All right.
Certainly, every leadership must be grassroots oriented.
Yes.
And that is what the OUK Movement represents in pursuit of the political ideology of Senator Dr. Joseph Okalu. Thank you and God bless.
All right. Thank you so much. Well, you have him there,
yes.
the chairman of OUK Movement, Engineer Ndukwe Oji. Yes. So it's really a social political movement.
It's really heating up. A lot of folks are gearing up to be a part of that movement. That is what we are talking about, structures. We have a lot of structures going to spring up, but we're going to be consistent and strong cultures that are going to come together, binded together for the betterment of the people. Like he said, politics is all local, and that is why he went through with his officials. They went through the 295 APSEA wars. It's not easy, but it's just touching the lives of the people. And you can imagine what we are doing now. When the OUK movement, just like we have other structures, we have the one we call OUK Friends International, but the only difference is that the OUK Friends International are propagating and preaching the philosophy of the district senator, which is that philosophy called OUKism. So we are working. Things going to change by, like I said, 2021. A lot of goodies is going to come to Ndabia, 2021.
Okay. All right. Joining us again is, of course, we need to... Hello, can you hear me?
Hello?
Okay. We are trying to get Dr. Onyekachi Achilike of Gerald Achilike Foundation. She has to tell us what she's got for us this morning. Let me see if I can get her again.
Hello?
Hello, Doc. Good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Dinika.
All right, good morning. Welcome, Dr. Onyekachi Achilike of Gerald Achilike Foundation. Thank you so much for joining us on the program this morning. Okay, I think we are really having a network issue there. We will still try some more to see if we can get Dr. Onyekachi Achilike of Gerald Achilike Foundation. She will be speaking with us on the specific instruction on diabetic diet control. That's what she...
Right. Good morning.
Yeah, good morning. Can you hear me now, Doc? Hello? Hello, Doctor?
Good morning, Mr. Dinika.
Yeah. Okay, go ahead. Tell us what you have for us this morning. Okay, we are still having difficulty trying to get across to her. Let's now open the phone lines so that our listener can make their contribution. The number is to call us 080-8182-6949 or 08-11605-2949. You can also send your SMS on 090-651-08289. Hello?
Hello, good morning, sir.
Yeah, good morning. Welcome.
I'm the Paul.
Paul, kindly move away from your radio set, please.
Well, I'm good.
Okay, go ahead.
Yesterday, I got in my primary school.
Okay.
Now, in a dog, even if they can have a GD, if you die with my okoro la para o na yoku oju para nje chelo tapa na le kele le bija yo te bono okwa una ha na television na na-eme ihe gbasara ọkụ na-arụcha na NPA n'anya ọjị. A na-ata ekele dịrị ya, kelere anyị ya, Chineke gọzie ya.
Thank you.
Ana m otu.
Okay. All right. Thank you so much. Hello. Good morning.
Hello, Ginika, good morning.
Yeah. Good morning. Welcome.
Ginika, may God bless you and Maduko Krodel.
Thank you.
Chimu Kropo, I am calling from Amudi Such here in Umunoch, LG of Addison.
Okay.
Actually, Ginika, I think the people of Amudi Such, I think they are in a kind of festive mood.
Oh, well,
Yes,
call.
I really knew why he was saying that.
Oh, really?
Because of Professor Iwe.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. The numbers to call us those 08081826949 or 08116052949. Hello? Hello?
Hello, good morning.
Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning to the spokesperson of the OUK.
Good morning, my brother.
I think Branford, we're not working from Okoro, they find on the line.
Okay.
Mr. Carlo left as the governor of this state. He was really missed that man. I'm talking about other states in general, especially him that now we at the North Corner of Occitania. All those places that UK did for us, or hang for other places. Though not people may say at times not also is a calendar around our lost, but at least it's something compared to now when going around about at all. So we are really missing him. But one question on Chorejo, what is the role of Fodis Akalo when it comes to Mazin Nandekano? Because the issue Nandekano on the bank where they're very, very clear that my party is one done a negative. But I'm surprised that the listen of this Akalo on them is equal not the canon on our breed.
Okay. All right. Do you have access to that?
No, I think he has spoken very well about the distinguished senator. But the other issue that you're saying, the distinguished senator loves Nnamdi Kanu just like he loves you or loves any other person. But what we're saying, anything you are going to do, you have to follow the tenets.
So they are not having any issues?
No. That's not just a Carlos boy. He can't have issue with him.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Mr. Ginika.
Good morning. Welcome.
Good morning, Mr. Maduko.
Good morning.
My name is Vitalis. I'm calling from VUO in Itumbuzo, Ancient Kingdom.
Yes.
Welcome.
Okay. First of all, I want to thank Honorable Maduko for all the enlightenment he has been doing on all the road projects and even the school project you mentioned this morning. Please, Honorable Maduko.
Yes. Yes.
Ụzọ a na-arụ Itumbuzo ọ bend etiti ụlọ ka from Itumbuzo road ka a na-arụ ka bend etiti ụlọ road?
That's a very good question. It's a very good question, Ejiro. Ụzọ anyị rụrụ ndị Itumbuzo, anyị bidoro junction nke Itumbuzo. Now, nke akpa bụ, I think Representative Benjamin Kalu nke asọ ọ dị ihe ma n'etiti ụlọ ahụ akamama ihe anyị mabala anyị tiri Itumbuzo la project anyị and anyị mekwala ihe anyị kwesịrị ide eme. Itumbuzo is going to have road. Ọ dịghị ihe ọbụla onye ọbụla mere labụghị ihe ọma aga m abịa Igbo amabasịba ama m ha ma onye ma etiti ụlọ ma onye emeghị etiti ụzọ ihe anyị mabala Itumbuzo road is being done by distinguished Senator Orji Uzor Kalu, and this has been in his mind for so many years. And today, we don't need to look at how we are working. We have to look at how far we have walked. So that is what is happening today. The Itumbuzo are happy. So that is the most important thing, that the Itumbuzo road is being done and being done by distinguished Senator Orji Uzor Kalu.
Hello, good morning.
Hello, yeah, my good brother Chimu Klapo once again.
Okay.
From Amudi Soch. I think just like Maduka Karali said, I think the people of Amudi Soch were happy for Dr. Uzor Kalu, we are happy for APC and President Muhammadu Buhari. No wonder we are not regretting the people of Umunoch in voting APC, in supporting Dr. Uzor Kalu and Madam Uwe Jocha and President Muhammadu Buhari. Ahmad Kokoro, I want to assure you that the people of Umunuchi, with this very wonderful gesture by our party, APC, and President Mama Buhari, Umunuchi will continue to support Dr. Joseph Okalo.
Amen.
And we are hoping and we know that more come to Umunuchi and see what is going on. No construction, Dr. Joseph and Dore Georgia. Just come to Umunuchi. Anybody can testify that. We will continue to support the party APC and Dr. Joseph Okalo.
Okay, thank you so much. Tomorrow is election, so we
thank you
don't
very
allow
much.
that.
Thank you very much, my very good friend. We will continue to do what we know how to do best, and what we know how to do best is fighting poverty, fighting underdevelopment. We are going to develop Umunochi with the help of Senator Orjiuzu Okalo in partnership with Barrister Nkiruka Onyeji-Ocha. Umunochi is going to be another heaven. You know, you are so happy. You people are in a festive mood. You have produced a vice chancellor. We are so happy for you, and we're also happy that you have somebody like Orjiuzu Okalo, the distinguished senator. Anything that is good that's supposed to come to Ndabia, Ogerusa Ndabia, Olon Hajikwame, the University of Calabar, Olon Hajikwame, Michael Okpara University, Olon Hajikwame, Burundi Crop Research, Umudike, that runs on DTEM. That is what leadership and governance is all about. When there's one problem, solve the problem of your brother or your sister. And that's what Orjiuzu Okalo is doing. And that's what he has come to do as a distinguished senator. Oji ane ele mmadụ la kọlọgị, oji ane ele mmadụ la haiti, oji ane ele mmadụ chọọchị na-ekpe, oji ane ele nke sabịa, oji na ele the big human being. Okay. And God has put Orjiuzu Okalo to do what he's doing.
Okay, now to the SMS line. I'm interested in OUK movement. He's our man. I'm joining in January 2021. Honorable, please send me well to our distinguished senator. This one is from Obonaya Chris. I'm Chim Okora for Amudi Sochi. I want to thank Oja. Okay, I think he is the one that just called. Hello, good morning. Hello? Hello, good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning, welcome.
Ambassador Kenneth. I'm calling from Mumbai.
Welcome, Ambassador.
Yeah. We have seen the projects done by Orjiuzu Okalo 1 year and it's well remarkable. But my question is this: is he doing these things with his money or the senatorial, because the thing is too much? Asking questions: is it his money or are there people helping him? That's number one. Two, reality organizations. I'm no longer hearing about it because we worked with it before all these organizations started. That was the first organization that made Orjiuzu Okalo what he is. If it is still working, where are they? Thank you and God bless you.
All right, Honorable.
Ambassador Caleb, the first question is couched in our constituency project. This is the first time a senator has looked at the constituency project and say each catchment into our constituency project, we must do it. A lot of them, most of the elected officials, they don't do what they're supposed to do. That is why Orjiuzu Okalo is a shining example of what leadership is all about. Everything we are doing is in the constituency project. These are the projects that are attracted by Orjiuzu Okalo. You have to even go beyond the constituency project. There are other little things that are supposed to come to the various constituencies, and people don't do that. Rather, they cash it for themselves. Orji doesn't need money. Orji doesn't need your money. Your money is your money. And that is also the first time we are saying, well, these projects that we are doing, the contractors, we don't know them. When they come, they partner with the local people. They work with the local people. We don't bring people from China or bring people from Malaysia to come and do the job. We bring people that the federal government have given the contract to, but those people must work with our local people. The villagers, you must work with them. You must put them into the project that they are using, because we have already looked at it and said, first time Orjiuzu Okalo has said, we are going to do what we call the people's project. It is your project. Anything goes wrong, then you are answerable to it. Not the distinguished senator being answerable to it. This is the past mistake people have been making. They go and get projects, they get their friend to do the project. By the time, no, they're gone. But here, We're doing projects that will touch the lives of the people. These projects are in the constituency, our constituency projects, and we are excited to do that.
Constituency fund.
The constituency fund, that's what it is. Constituency
Now,
fund.
the second one is the reality.
The reality organization, yes. The reality organization is functioning. The reality organization, yes, like you said, it's a powerful structure. The reality organization still has office at 17 Bonny Street. Ambassador Caleb, you have my number. If you have any problem about reality organization, I will direct you the proper procedure that you have to follow to rejoin that reality organization worldwide.
All right. Hello, good morning. Hello.
Good morning, sir.
Have you moved away from your radio set?
Yes, good morning, sir.
All right, welcome. Go ahead.
My name is okay. I'm calling from Cross River.
Welcome.
Honorable Nekelo.
I salute you, my brother.
I'm on you, but I'm Arujuku last week.
Okay.
I'm about motor transport.
Okay.
When them Arujuku, man, everywhere also. Man, in the governor of state, about the Palatimba, all governor, the Mayenda, or just the Matichine community. You see, you got it, or you got by our government. Because they think almost everywhere of the north. Also. Government, you are so user. Government, you are so user. Master child, they created this man.
Okay.
On level, you the man who's too much. Although child also man, even that this everywhere got it London. Thank you.
All right, thank you so much.
Amen.
Hello, good morning. Okay, the numbers to call are still 080-8182-6949 or 0811-605-2949. Hello. Okay, Honorable, while we wait for those calls, the memorial service of OUK's father on the 27th of December. How is it coming out?
Oh, pretty good. We have set up a committee. That committee is headed by Representative Nkiruka Onyejiocha, which include Representative Benjamin Okalo, the spokesperson of the Federal House of Representatives. We have Honorable Chijo Kechuku, Abia North, Bende North, Bende North House of representing Bende North in the Abia State House of Assembly. We have Dr. Jikoji is involved there, Dr. Chidia Madekwe, and Reverend Mrs. Jimama Olakalo, Reverend Mrs. Ifoma Ago. We have a lot of people in the committee, and I serve as the scribe of that committee.
Okay.
So we are planning a whole lot. Where the dignitaries will be arriving that day from all over Nigeria. 27th of December. The dignitaries from all over Nigeria.
I understand
from
it's
abroad,
10 years memorial service.
Yes, this is the 10-year memorial service of late Chief Nsiegbe Carlo. So we are going to, the senator want to say, I want to somehow remember the man that really brought me to bear to be a human being, and there's no better way to remember your dad than this way. We're going to have merriment, a lot of activities. You're going to have dancers, you're going to have artists from all over the world. It's going to be very big, very, very massive. There will be food. Nobody that will come that day that will not eat food. Even take away, you take and go home. You know, we do anything you want to do. It's always going to be like a carnival that day.
So it probably is going to take the place of the carnival that normally do.
No, it won't take the place of carnival. This is something in remembrance of somebody.
Okay.
It's going to be solemn. We are going to go to church service, and after that, we're going to do item 7. Item 7 is going to be everywhere.
The
We're
venue.
going to have a venue at NEA.
Okay.
The retreat of the distinguished senator Neya Ibere. So it's going to be very, very, very massive. So you can imagine the kind of people that are handling the committee when you have these notable representatives, people that are doing well. The deputy chief whip in the Federal House of Representatives and the spokesperson of the Federal House of Representatives is going to be a galore. Nigeria who's who is going to be in that place. So we thank God for his mercies and for his grace.
Okay, let's take one more call and we'll go home. Hello, good morning.
Well, good morning, sir.
Good morning. Welcome.
Thank you, sir. I'm Esther. I'm calling from Mombasa.
Welcome, Esther.
Sir, I want to know when will OYICO be coming to Bend for the youth empowerment program stuff. And again, please, OYICO should help our people. They are suffering, we need road, please. You should just remember Mpa Road, please, sir.
Okay. Are you doing any road in Mpa?
No, we're going to yes, we're doing. When you're coming from Obani Beku, you know that's Amodu Loji Road. We're doing road for Mimeni. You know, Mpa is getting the 500 kV, which will arrive before the week ends. It's going to arrive there. So we're doing a whole lot. We're doing
the youth empowerment she talked about.
Yeah, the youth empowerment, that's going to be next year. Can't do any youth empowerment. This year is almost gone. You have like 2-3 weeks, and then we enter the 2021. So we're going to do a whole lot. That's why I said that 2021 is going to be hive of activities coming from the distinguished Senator Orji Uzor Kalu. We are happy. We are working. We are happy that people are happy, and that's what leadership is all about. It's only Senator Orji Uzor Kalu that walk the streets of Abia, and people will hail him. It's only Senator Orji Uzor Kalu that walk the streets of Ekiti, and people will hail him. It's only Senator Orji Uzor Kalu that walk the street of Katsina, and people will hail him. You know, that's what leadership is all about. What is it about Orji Uzor Kalu? Is the commitment, is the passion, is that belief in himself that is going to touch the lives of the people. Orji is all about serving human beings, and we're enjoying it. And then we want to use this opportunity, like one of my elders. I want to thank him. He also wanted to thank His Excellency for the road that he has been. Your Excellency, I know the distinguished senator watching. People are happy for you. People love you. People love you. People want to be like you. They want to sacrifice themselves for the betterment of humanity. Why are we in this world? But if not, to help others. You know, you have a whole lot of followers. But I want to see this elder master guide, James Ezekwe. He pushes our kudos to the distinguished senator. He say he can't wait to see you, Your Excellency, for all the ongoing road projects that we are doing in Itumbuzo, Alai, Item, Bende, Ohafia, Arochukwu, everywhere. It's all about development, and this is why Elder Master Guide James Ezekwe is giving you congratulatory kudos, Your Excellency. We thank you all for loving us. We thank every person from Abia State for loving Orji Uzor Kalu. But the only promise we give to people is that development is a must. It's a thing that must be done, and we're doing it. And the people of Itumbuzo, we want you to keep praying to God. Ndempa, we're going to touch you. Allah is smiling now. Okperenyi, we are coming. Odinka Nola Bianot, that Senator Orji Uzor Kalu will not touch. And I am giving this thing as a promise, because Odinha Igeji number 4 years la Senate. Odiwonye gade happy. Then call John Abiano, one Sena Bamagi, one name, Obu, Mivu, your Malobu. For your people, me magala ndem maro taraho toarego vote amuda ato mini dezo atorego vote. Then that one uru why you are coming to serve the people. And I want to use this opportunity, Gineka, to tell my people of Abia North, no violence for tomorrow's election. We are going to go out there, as my party is going to go out there. We are very confident. We are going to vote. We are going to monitor our vote. We are going to follow our vote. Ndi Bende, vote monitor ya. Ndi Arochukwu, your vote, monitor. Nochi, monitor your vote. Go and vote. Go and vote. Exercise
and remain
right.
peaceful.
And remain peaceful.
Okay.
There should be no violence. And that's what I say. Mandi Sukweto, Mande Ohafia. Go and vote. Please, no violence, but to vote. Because I know that at the end of the day, Abia North must be happy because of the broom. Thank you very much.
All right. You are campaigning.
No,
you don't,
if I campaign, I would have called my party.
Please, so
I didn't ask them to vote for me.
It's all right.
It's not all right.
Thank you so much.
It's okay. I won't allow you.
The spokesperson to Dr.
And I hope you are going to vote.
Honorable
It's not staying on radio tomorrow. You don't have any reason.
Thank you so much. Let's talk knuckles. Thank you for coming on the show.
Thank you.
As I said, thanks to ABN Online Radio and Television, Vision Africa 104.1 FM in Umuahia, Real 99.1 FM in Aba. This is Flow 94.9 FM, the Flow of Gadsden State. My name is Ginika Olwa. Till next week, Please do stay out of trouble. Good morning.